My name is Aline, and I just got married about a month ago. We got married in France, in Provence, south of France, which is where I'm from originally. And we decided to use WeddingMix because it was more of a personal movie instead of a movie from someone that we didn't know, and the fact that all of our friends and family could just capture this magical day that it was for us and make it our own in a way was very important to me, and I'm happy that we went with WeddingMix for that reason. Not to mention that it's also cheaper than using a professional videographer. But so one of the things that I'm the most proud of about the wedding is the fact that we stayed in budget, and WeddingMix helped a lot with that, and along with our friends and family who also helped a lot along the way, and so that's it. Some of the moments that WeddingMix was able to capture that were very important to me were my dance with my dad, and our first dance with my now husband, and it's a lot about dance, and I'm a professional dancer, so I did a solo for my husband, and it was a surprise, and so we got the video from the front, the back, and side of that, and so I'm very, very happy, and we captured some moments that I missed, like our guests playing games and whatnot. So that was amazing to see that everybody had a really good time.